We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT's newest update. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. You'll notice that the layout has been redesigned for easier navigation. Start by logging into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll see the main chat interface, which now includes a sidebar on the left. This sidebar allows you to switch between different chat sessions and manage your conversation history more efficiently. To create a new chat, simply click on the new chat button at the top of the sidebar. This will open a fresh chat window where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. One of the major updates is the introduction of customizable personas. To access this, click on the settings icon located at the bottom of the sidebar. In the settings menu, you'll find a new tab labeled voice here. You can choose a predefined persona or create your own by adjusting the tone, personality traits, and expertise level. This allows for a more personalized interaction experience. Another exciting feature is the improved context understanding. ChatGPT can now retain more context from your previous messages throughout the session, making conversations smoother and more coherent. If you want to test this, try asking follow-up questions or referring back to earlier parts of the conversation without having to repeat yourself. Additionally, you can now provide feedback on specific messages by hovering over them and clicking the feedback icon. This helps improve the model by letting the developers know how well it's performing. Lastly, remember to explore the new help resources available under the Help tab in the settings menu. It includes a comprehensive guide to all new features and common troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.